Welcome to Kerala PSC Prep. Today's study notes cover English comprehension and grammar tips for Kerala PSC. PSC-specific strategies for reading comprehension, jumbles, sentence correction and fill in the blanks. Pattern recognition, elimination techniques and worked examples. 1. Reading comprehension, RC, strategy. Feature. PSC pattern. Passage length 150 to 250 words, short. Questions per passage 4 to 5. Topics: general interest, science, environment, social issues, biography. Continuing 1. Reading comprehension, RC, strategy. Difficulty: moderate vocabulary, straightforward ideas. Question types: factual, inference, vocabulary in context, title, main idea. Step. Action. 1. Read questions first, not the passage. Continuing 1. Reading comprehension, RC, strategy. 2. Skim the passage in 60 seconds. 3. Locate answers by matching question keywords to passage sections. 4. Eliminate wrong options. 5. Never assume outside knowledge. Continuing 1. Reading comprehension, RC, strategy. Question type: how to answer. Factual, direct. Answer is stated verbatim or near verbatim in the passage. Inference: not stated directly but logically follows, choose the safest conclusion. Vocabulary in context: do not go by dictionary meaning, check how the word is used in that sentence. And 7 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 2. Jumbles, sentence rearrangement. Feature. Details. Format: 4 to 6 sentences labeled P, Q, R, S, sometimes AF. Task: arrange in logical chronological order. Marks: 1 to 2 questions per paper. Continuing 2. Jumbles, sentence rearrangement. Step. Technique: 1. Find the opening sentence. 2. Find the closing sentence. 3. Look for mandatory pairs. Continuing 2. Jumbles, sentence rearrangement. 4. Track chronology. 5. Follow logical connectors. 6. Check pronoun references. P. He was born in Porbandar in 1869. Continuing 2. Jumbles, sentence rearrangement. Q. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. R. He studied law in London and returned to India. S. His non-violent movement led India to independence. Q. Introduces Mahatma Gandhi, no pronoun, introduces topic. And 3 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 3. Sentence correction, error spotting. Error type: wrong. Subject-verb agreement: the team are playing. Tense consistency: he went and buys. Pronoun error: each student brought their book. Continuing 3. Sentence correction, error spotting. Article error: he is a honest man. Preposition error: arrived to the station. Double negative: he does not know nothing. Misplaced modifier: running fast, the bus was caught. Continuing 3. Sentence correction, error spotting. Redundancy: return back. Parallelism: she likes reading, writing, and to swim. Wrong usage. Correct usage: discuss about. Discuss, know about. Continuing 3. Sentence correction, error spotting. Enter into the room. Enter the room. Comprise of. Comprise is composed of. One of the boy. One of the boys. None of them are. None of them is. And 15 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 4. Fill in the blanks. Type. Example. Vocabulary based. The leader's speech was so that the crowd was moved. Options: eloquent, reluctant, elegant, frequent. Grammar based. If I a bird, I would fly. Options: am, was, were, be. Preposition based. He insisted going alone. Options: on, in, at, for. Continuing 4. Fill in the blanks. Idiom phrase completion. He kicked the dot. Bucket. Step. Technique. 1. Read the full sentence before looking at options. 2. Predict the answer mentally before checking options. Continuing 4. Fill in the blanks. 3. Check grammatical fit, verb form, singular plural, article. 4. Check meaning fit, positive negative tone, logical sense. 5. Eliminate clearly wrong options first. Word 1. Meaning. Continuing 4. Fill in the blanks. Affect. To influence, verb. Principle. Head main. Stationary. Not moving. Complement. To complete. And 8 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 5. One-word substitutions, frequently asked. Phrase. One word. One who knows everything. Omniscient. One who is present everywhere. Omnipresent. One who can do everything. Omnipotent. Continuing 5. One-word substitutions, frequently asked. One who eats human flesh. Cannibal. One who hates mankind. Misanthrope. One who loves mankind. Philanthropist. A person who cannot be corrected. Incorrigible. Continuing 5. One-word substitutions, frequently asked. Murder of a king. Regicide. Murder of oneself. Suicide. Murder of an infant. Infanticide. Government by the rich. Plutocracy. Continuing 5. One-word substitutions, frequently asked. Government by the people. Democracy. Government by one person. Autocracy. Fear of heights. Acrophobia. Fear of water. Hydrophobia. And 5 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 6 idioms and phrases, top 20 PSC repeats. Idiom. Meaning. Break the ice. Start a conversation in a social setting. Burn the midnight oil. Study work late at night. Hit the nail on the head. Say exactly the right thing. Continuing 6. Idioms and phrases, top 20 PSC repeats. A piece of cake. Very easy. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. Cry over spilt milk. Regret something that cannot be undone. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret. Continuing 6. Idioms and phrases, top 20 PSC repeats. Beat around the bush. Avoid the main topic. Bite the bullet. Endure a painful situation bravely. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. The ball is in your court. It is your turn to act. Continuing 6. Idioms and phrases, top 20 PSC repeats. Kick the bucket. Die. Under the weather. Feeling ill. Burn bridges. Destroy relationships permanently. Barking up the wrong tree. Pursuing a mistaken course. And 5 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 7. Time management, English section. Strategy. Details. Total time for English. 10 to 12 minutes for 10 to 15 questions. RC passage. 4 to 5 minutes for reading plus answering all 4 to 5 questions. Grammar correction. 30 to 40 seconds per question. Continuing 7. Time Management English section. Fill in blanks. 30 seconds per question. Para Jumbles. 1 to 2 minutes per question. Priority. Do grammar and vocabulary first, fastest, RC last. 8. PSC Quickfire Pattern Recognition. If the question has most likely testing. Since for in options. Tense usage with duration. Each every neither as subject. Subject-verb agreement singular. Options with to than from. Preposition with comparative. Continuing 8. PSC Quickfire Pattern Recognition. A sentence with hardly scarcely. Correlative conjunction when than. Would could should. Conditional sentences. Passage followed by questions. RC. Comprehension. Jumbled sentences P, Q, R, S. Para arrangement. Continuing 8. PSC Quickfire Pattern Recognition. Underlined parts A, B, C, D. Error spotting. For complete notes with tables and more details, visit keralaprep.com. Take quizzes and earn mock tests. Join our Telegram channel at KeralaPrep26 for daily updates.